A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, at the end of the day, God purpose must fulfill. And God purpose are not usually about the one person, the individual. God purpose are usually about the whole world we love and want to save. Make we think about it. And while we are thinking about it, if we want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, I am inviting you. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 14 from verse 12 to verse 26. Now, the Passover holiday when people yam bread without yeast did come. On the first day of the holiday day, when they kill the baby sheep, Jesus followed them, asked him, say, where you want we feel look after the Passover food for your yam? So him send two him follower them and tell them, say, go to Jerusalem. And one man will carry one jug of water with me to know. Follow him. When him go in a one house, tell the owner for the house, say, the teacher say, fi ask you, say, where the guest room there, where me can yam the Passover food with me special follower them. Him will show no one big room upstairs, fix up and ready. And that's so when you look about the food. So the two of them left go to Jerusalem and find everything just like how Jesus did tell them. And them look about the Passover food. When evening come, Jesus and him 12 follower them come at the house. When them did sit down at the table and did a eat, Jesus said to them, say, me I tell you this, and a true me attack. One of you where they are near with me, I go sell me out. When the follower them hear what Jesus say, them heart drop sick out, them sad. And one after the other, them ask Jesus say, I can't me. Him say, I one out of the 12 of you. One of you where I dip uno hand in the bowl with me. Cause the man where God pick must go. Same how God would say, him a go. But you see the man where sell him out, trouble for him, I tell you. Him would have better have if he name born. While them did a yam, Jesus take the bread, and after him give thanks, him broke it and give them and said to them, say, take this. This are my body. Then him take the cup with the wine and give thanks. Him give to them, and all of them drink from the cup. Then him said to them, say, this are my blood. We set up the new plan where God make with you. My blood will bleed out for enough people. Me I tell you the truth. Me not go drink no more wine till the day come when me drink it in our new way in a God kingdom. After they sing one hymn, them left go Mount Olive. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.